Okay, so progress has been made in kennels 9 and 10. Mardy, very kindly, has been putting a coat of stain on the wood. So we're just bringing it back into like the little door here and the little door here that Leslie and John popped on for us. They've been stained, so it all begins to blend in. This, yeah, that's behind me. And then this water pipe, where I think there was originally a leak, these are going to come out because we don't actually need water in here. So we're just getting the walls back up into place. Janine has made another door here, which will actually keep this bit nice and warm away from the rest of the area down there. And we'll get that finished off and stained the same colour as well. So lots of progress. What's going on?